Tesla Model 3 door handles are electronically controlled and can sometimes fail to open due to freezing, jamming, or electrical problems. The Model 3 uses flush-mounted handles that extend automatically, which are more prone to issues than traditional designs. These issues can stem from mechanical failures, environmental factors, or wear and tear. To identify the problem with your Tesla Model 3 door handle, first check the weather conditions. If it's cold weather, ice may be the culprit. Look for visual cues like frost or ice buildup on the handle. If the handle feels stuck or doesn't move smoothly, it's likely jammed due to mechanical issues like dirt or wear. Check for excessive dirt around the handle mechanism. If there's no response at all when you try to open the door, suspect an electrical issue, such as wiring problems or sensor failure. The handle might not activate at all. Remember, never force the handle, as this can cause further damage to the mechanism and may void your warranty. Always diagnose carefully before attempting any fixes. For quick fixes on Tesla Model 3 door handle issues, start with a soft reset. Hold the door handle for 5 seconds until it pops out, then reinsert it to reset the mechanism. Next, clean the handle cavity using compressed air to blow out dirt and debris. Then apply isopropyl alcohol with a soft swab for deeper cleaning. If the handle is frozen, use a hairdryer on warm setting to gently thaw any ice. Never use hot air, as it can damage the plastic parts. When Tesla Model 3 door handles freeze in cold weather below 14 degrees Fahrenheit, condensation or ice can lock the internal motor mechanism. To safely thaw a frozen handle, start by applying warm air from a hairdryer set to low or medium heat. Hold the dryer about 6 inches away and move it gently across the handle area for 2 to 3 minutes, avoiding direct heat on plastic components. Alternatively, you can pour lukewarm water over the frozen handle to melt the ice. Use water that feels comfortably warm to the touch, around 100 degrees Fahrenheit. Pour slowly and allow the water to run down the handle, helping to thaw any frozen components without damaging the electronics. Never use boiling water or extremely hot water, as this can damage the vehicle's paint, plastic components, and electronic sensors. High heat may cause warping or cracking of the handle mechanism, leading to permanent damage that requires expensive repairs. After thawing the handle with either method, thoroughly dry the area using a clean cloth or compressed air to remove any remaining moisture. This prevents water from seeping into the electronic components and causing corrosion. Then apply a silicone-based lubricant, such as 3-in-1 silicone lubricant, to the handle mechanism. Finally, recalibrate the door handle sensors through the vehicle's touchscreen. Navigate to the service menu, select Door Handles, and follow the on-screen prompts to reset the calibration. This ensures the handle operates correctly and helps prevent future freezing issues. When your Tesla Model 3 door handle is jammed, lubrication and recalibration are effective solutions. Start by lubricating the mechanism with a silicone spray to reduce friction and prevent binding. Next, recalibrate the handle through the car's touchscreen to reset sensors and fix minor alignment issues. Navigate to Service menu, select Door Handles, and follow the on-screen prompts. If the door handle remains unresponsive after basic checks, the issue may be electrical. Start by checking the car's fuses, which can blow and interrupt power to the handle mechanism. Consult your owner's manual to locate the specific fuse for the door handles. This fuse is typically found in the vehicle's fuse box under the dashboard. Next, ensure your Tesla's firmware is fully up to date. Software updates frequently address door handle problems through improved diagnostics and bug fixes. If the quick fixes don't work, it's time to contact Tesla service. There may be a deeper electrical or mechanical issue requiring professional attention, such as a body control module reset or hardware replacement. Always avoid forcing the handle to prevent damage. Check if your Model 3 is affected by any recalls or service bulletins related to door handles. Tesla issued a global service campaign in 2025, Campaign SB 25-00-001, for approximately 150,000 vehicles prone to freezing in cold weather. Owners can schedule free repairs at service centers. As of January 2026, over 90% of affected vehicles have been serviced, with Tesla reporting a 95% success rate in resolving issues post-repair. Remember, a stuck handle can trap occupants inside, posing risks in emergencies. Tesla advises keeping a key fob handy and using the touchscreen emergency unlock feature. Preventative maintenance is key to keeping your Tesla Model 3 door handles operating smoothly. Start by regularly cleaning the door handle cavity to remove dirt and debris that can cause buildup over time. Apply a silicone-based lubricant to the handle mechanism, particularly before winter, to protect against freezing. This helps maintain smooth operation in various conditions. Monitor your handles using Tesla's mobile app, which includes a handle health diagnostic tool for real-time feedback and early detection of potential issues. By following these preventative steps, you can ensure your door handles remain reliable and significantly reduce the likelihood of future problems.